What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on my cousin's 3rd gen, putting new exhaust on it. He's got duals at the moment and he got tired of the duals. It's also broken in the right after the muffler. This thing's got a muffler on it. So we've got a diamond eye straight pipe we're going to be putting on it. Go ahead, James. So we're gonna hop right in. We're gonna start pulling this exhaust off and getting the new exhaust put on. So after much sawzawing, we got those gay duals off. We're going back together.
Drawer come with instructions. What section you now?
And then we got the down pipe loosely mounted, going under the truck, and we're gonna kind of fit up the rest, and then we'll tighten everything down once we got it where we like it. Alrighty, guys. Turbo back exhaust. To an axle dump.
I might enjoy a beer.
Are you gonna chill a little bit?
So we're gonna start her up for the first time here in a second. All right, go ahead.
Want to start it?
Yeah. What is going on, guys? It is the next day. We are going to be doing some work on the 82 C30 come and swap. So as you can see, we got the cab overhanging the frame again. We're getting ready to start on some mounting. Right now we're trying to get it centered where we want it. We got a radiator kind of mocked up in there. We're gonna attempt to get the cab mounted today. Don't know if we'll be able to get it done, but we're gonna try it. So right now I got it up in the air. I'm gonna put all the front accessories on, minus the AC compressor. We are gonna be putting AC on this truck, but for right now, we're just trying to get the fan really mounted today, along with the engine accessories and everything else, just to make sure we have clearance that we need to fit everything. So the AC will be coming on later, but for right now, it's just gonna be the front accessories, trying to get the cab mounted. So I'm gonna put the fan, the belt, and all that good stuff on, and we're gonna see how we fit. Okay, so we're gonna be routing this for right now for no AC, so run this around. fan on. So we've got the engine fan on. I guess I wasn't recording when I installed it, but it is on. So now we're gonna start test fitting and see what we look like. So as I suspected, I messed up. I should have put the fan on after we set the cab back down. So I'm gonna rip the fan back off real quick, set the cab down, and then we'll get back to it. Okay guys, so we are about as low as I am going to be willing to go with this thing. You can see where it's sitting. And don't mind the wheel wells, we have something coming for those. They are off center, but this is where the cab has to sit. And we will also be addressing the gap behind the bed. We will be fixing that later as well. So for right now, we're actually gonna have to take the plasma cutter because if you can see in here, we have to come down about 2 inches. And the way this engine is sitting and the cab is sitting, we're gonna have to clearance our core support right there just a little bit, enough to clear the fan. Alright, so the fan is in. It spins free. It's a little tight on this side, but if we need to notch it later, we will. We'll probably also need to cut that out just a little bit more, but we're going to get the radiator in and test fit it. Alrighty guys, so we have a setback, and it's one of the most frustrating parts about building a one-off truck. We thought we were going to be able to use our Chevy radiator from the 6.2. That's not going to be the case because our second gen intercooler will not fit around it due to the radiator being too big. So from this point, now we're going to be shopping for radiators, probably. And I can't scoot the cab any more forward because what we have planned for the fenders to make it line up and look good won't allow that. So at this point, we're going to be looking for a radiator, preferably an all aluminum radiator, aluminum tanks in a smaller size so we can use our second gen intercooler. I was thinking about using the Dodge radiator, but I don't think that's going to work out for us. It's just too thick, the core is too thick. So we're at a standstill. I'll have to get on the interwebs and get some parts found. I thought about using electric fans on this truck, but most of the electric fans are actually going to be thicker than your primary fan here, your mechanical fan. So we're going to try to stick with the factory fan. And from there, we will build the rest of the trucks. I know we didn't get the cab mounted today, but that's just how it goes when you're building a one-off truck. So we'll be ordering parts, and I'll get back with you guys, and we'll get back to building the truck whenever we get our new parts in. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.